Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I last filmed, so I thought I would do a quick little hair tutorial. I just got a package from NuMe. I got a whole set with wands and I'm so excited to try them out. This will be the first time that I try them out, so I thought that I would do a quick tutorial. So the set does come with 5 different interchangeable wands, and they are tourmaline ceramic wands, so they are supposed to prevent any further damage to your hair, and these are actually also great for hair that's already damaged. Mine is kind of bleached already since I'm going back to blonde for the summer and before my wedding. So normally I would use this barrel right here. I think it's a 32 millimeter, which is a 1.5 inch, but today, just for fun, I'm going to be using the smallest one and see if I can get some super tight curls. I don't have a lot of layers in my hair. I think my shortest layer is like this long, and unless you count my bangs, which are like this long. So it's hard for my hair to hold curls because they're so heavy, but I'm gonna try it with this one and see how it works. So if you guys want to see how I curl my hair using the NuMe ones, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to use this box that it came with to keep the iron on, and I'm going to be using this little rubber mat to keep the wand from burning the box. NuMe is actually the first ever curling wand I ever owned from, I think, like years ago, way before I started doing YouTube or Instagram or anything like that. Okay, so I think there's a heat setting on this, but I think that this goes up to 400 degrees. So I'm not going to be holding it onto my hair for too long because that is a little bit hot. They also sent me some thermal heat protectant, which I'm super grateful for. This is an absolute must if you're ever curling your hair or ever applying any type of heat products. Even if you're going out in the sun, make sure you have heat protectant all over your hair. I'm just going to brush it out. Okay, so now that my hair is all brushed out, I'm going to start from the very back on the bottom, and since the barrel is so skinny, I'm going to be taking the tiniest little pieces and I'm just going to start curling them. Just moving it back and forth just a little bit. Okay, that was literally like 4 seconds maybe, and I have this perfect little curl. So far it's going really well. Normally I have to hold an iron a lot longer for it to like hold any type of curl, but this looks like it's curling super fast. My hair doesn't even feel that hot. Yeah, I'm getting all these super perfect little curls. Not feeling super hot. That is really cute. I'm obsessed with this little curl. I'm not being very neat at all when I grab the pieces. I'm just grabbing a lot of random pieces and just curling them. When I don't section my hair when I curl, I think that takes way too long. I think what I'm loving so far is that the curls are actually starting from the top of my head. Since my hair is really heavy, the curls never stay up here. They always just kind of straighten here and then stay a little bit wavy here. But these look like they're staying curly everywhere. I don't know, this is like just working really well. I'm super impressed. Oh guys, look at these curls. I'm literally blown away by these curls. They are so cute and they are staying way up here. They're staying curled. I think at first I was a little bit worried because there was no heat setting on this, and I don't really like to go beyond 300 degrees for my hair since it's really fine, but I think the setting is at 400, but my hair does not feel very hot at all, yet the curl is staying. I mean, did you guys see how fast I did that? And look at this curl. Okay, for those of you whose hair curls really easily, this might not be a big deal for you, but this is life-changing for me because everyone knows that my hair does not hold a curl. Whenever I get my hair done by my hairdresser, she doesn't even bother curling it. She's like, yeah, we know it's not gonna stay, so I'll just straighten your hair, just keep it straight. Guys, I'm like curling my hair so quickly, this is nuts. When I curl my hair, I like to have like the more beachy look. So I don't really curl all in the same direction, I kind of twist it. So I just grab the piece and just wind it around. And I never curl the ends because I like those to stay a little bit straight. Okay, I wish I timed myself how long this took. I guess I can always look back, but oh my gosh, this was so quick. And these curls are so perfect. I don't even think I'm gonna need any finishing spray. Yeah, I definitely won't need finishing spray. I'm not gonna bother putting any on. I'm so obsessed with these curls, you guys. Like, what is this? Okay, so one more side to go. I think when I grab like the bigger pieces, I might leave it on for a few seconds longer just to make sure the heat's evenly distributed. But if you guys have a little bit more patience than I do, grab the tiniest pieces. Back and forth a little. I think I've tried a small barrel curling iron before and it just looked so funky, and this one I'm really loving. So I'm honestly really curious how the other size barrels work, so I'm probably going to be doing 100 more tutorials on hair curling hairstyles, maybe like a summer. Look at this curl, guys, this is nuts. But anyway, like a bunch of summer hairstyles with curls and clips and braids, so stay tuned because you guys will be seeing this NuMe wand a lot more often this summer. I am almost done, and right now I probably would be halfway on this side if I was using my regular curling iron, so I'm so excited. I was actually kind of nervous to use this wand at first because I didn't want to screw up and then I would have some weird curls in my hair and then it would be hard to film it, but I'm so glad I used this one. When I get to the front, I typically grab underneath first, and then I grab the top layers after. And it's perfect curl, guys. It's nuts. I know I keep saying that this is like nuts and I'm blown away, but I'm not joking. I'm like literally blown away by this wand. I usually go back and fix some curls on this side, but I don't even think I need to do that. Like, this is insane. I'm just gonna use my fingers to brush it out a little bit. Okay, so this is the finished look. And since pearl clips are trending right now, NuMe also sent me this cute little clip. So I'm just gonna grab a piece and clip it back. Guys, I'm just so happy right now. I can't get over this. So if you guys want to get your own set just like this and get curls like these, I do have a discount code. It is down in the description box, so make sure that you guys use that. 1010, I would absolutely recommend this one. I'm so shocked by these curls. I have a link below as well for you guys to use if you want to get this set. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I will be doing a lot more hair curling tutorials using NuMe wands, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a bunch of different styles. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a nice comment or a critical comment, I don't care. Just leave a comment. I would love to chat with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!